Chicken. Chicken is a very big high source of protein. Instead of reheating chicken, use it for sandwich and it's better. Spinach contains a very high content of nitrates, which is contagious in nature, so it's better not to reheat spinach. Egg is a very most high protein content food. Reheating it will, in fact, avoid reheating egg because it will be dangerous to be reheated. Instead, to cook it, don't use microwave to reheat. Don't reheat leftover rice. Instead, boil hot water and pour on it and bring it. When you do this, it will come back as if you just freshly cook it. So thank you for watching.